Hello, my name is Daniel, and today I want to tell you about my favorite food. I like many different foods because each one has a special taste and makes me feel happy. It is difficult to choose only one favorite, so I will tell you about several foods that I love. First, I really like pizza. Pizza is warm, soft, and full of flavor. I enjoy cheese pizza the most. The cheese is hot and stretchy, and the tomato sauce is sweet and tasty. Sometimes I eat pizza with vegetables like mushrooms, tomatoes, or corn. My family and I usually eat pizza on Fridays, and it is our special family night. But pizza is not the only food I love. I also enjoy pasta. Pasta is simple but very delicious. My favorite pasta is spaghetti with tomato sauce. I like when the sauce has garlic and herbs. My mom sometimes cooks pasta with chicken or vegetables, and it always tastes great. I like pasta because it is warm and filling, and it gives me a lot of energy. Another food I like is soup. Many people think soup is boring, but I don't agree. My favorite soup is chicken soup with noodles. It is perfect on cold days. The warm broth makes me feel cozy, and the soft noodles are fun to eat. I also like vegetable soup, especially when it has potatoes and carrots. I also love eating fruit. Fruits are sweet, fresh, and healthy. My favorite fruits are apples, bananas, and strawberries. I eat an apple almost every day at school. Bananas are good for snacks because they are soft and easy to carry. Strawberries are my favorite dessert in summer. They are red, juicy, and smell great. One of my favorite treats is ice cream. I don't eat it every day, but I enjoy it on weekends. My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate, but I also like vanilla and strawberry. Sometimes I eat ice cream with small pieces of fruit on top. Another food I enjoy very much is rice with vegetables. It is simple but very tasty. I like rice with peas, carrots, and corn. Sometimes my mom cooks rice with eggs and it tastes amazing. It is one of my favorite dinners. Of course, I also like sandwiches. I usually eat them for breakfast or at school. My favorite sandwich is cheese and tomato. I also like sandwiches with eggs or chicken. They are quick to make and easy to eat. I think food is not only something we eat. Food gives us energy, makes us healthy, and brings people together. I love eating different kinds of food with my family and friends. Each food has a special taste and story. So even though I like pizza, pasta, soup, fruit, ice cream, sandwiches, and rice, I cannot choose only one favorite. I love many foods, and each one makes me happy in a different way.